Hello everyone, welcome to Kotu channel. Today we will learn about one command which can help you if you're working on Jupyter IDE and if you're facing such type of issue. So the issue is basically, for example, if you're executing a very large program in Jupyter IDE and if your program is generating lots of output and if your program is running for like 3-4 hours continuously and it is generating lots and lots of output, then in that case generally what happens, your Jupyter will hang and you won't be able to retrieve your code. So if you'll try to open that file again, then you won't be able to see the code. Okay, so in such cases what to do? So in such cases you just have to use this particular command. So this command will help you to delete all the output or whatever print statements you wrote in your code. So whatever output you're getting in that particular file, that output will be deleted and you will get your code back. Okay, so this particular code you have to use. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you really like this information, then please like, share, comment and do subscribe on this channel. Thank you. Bye.